Martina Ibáñez-Baldor. I'm a Deputy Design Director at the Los Angeles Times, and today we're hiking Elysian Park. The cool thing about Elysian Park is there's always something new to discover every time you come. Oh, here's the garden. It smells good here. We made it to the Marion Harlow Memorial Grove. It's this community-led garden at the top of Elysian Park. They're looking for volunteers. If you build up an appetite after your hike, you can just walk down Sunset, where there's a bunch of restaurants.